Hi guys, I'm Vagisha and today I am at this property called Gaj Retreat. This is a property in Punjab and this place is massive. It is so huge. It is situated right in the middle of a forest and the activities, the kind of recreation that this place offers is simply unbelievable.
Gaj Retreat is easily accessible from Chandigarh. The journey from Chandigarh took us roughly 2.5 hours.
Gaj Retreat is a luxury eco-resort which is located in the heart of Punjab close to Garshankar. This place has some activities that are literally unheard of in this area. They have night safaris, they have off-roading experiences, they even have river crossing. You can sit and have a nice meal besides the river on the river bank, and there is so much you can do like paintball, ATV rides, off-roading like I said, even horse riding. This place is literally an adventure lover's heaven. So this is the sprawling property at Gaj Retreat, and I am staying at one of these chalets down here which actually opens into a beautiful private pool. Let me show you. Come.
There are many different kinds of rooms and accommodation available at Gaj Retreat. The one that you're looking at right now is a pool villa which comes with a separate sitting area and a bedroom which has, as you can see, glass windows that completely overlook the private pool. The whole experience of staying in these villas is absolutely divine. For those who are looking for a rustic feel in their holiday, these luxury tents are a great option. These are very spacious, as you can see, and very clean also, and you also get the experience of staying in a tent. Among the many adventure activities that you can indulge in at Gaj Retreat, this area is particularly reserved for paintball and Burma Bridge. One thing that I definitely loved about this place are these small trees that are laden with flowers. There are so many varieties of flora here. I could just not take my eyes off these flowers, and I just wanted to stay in the garden throughout the day, and that was also possible thanks to the very comfortable hammocks that were lined across the lawns, and you could simply spend your entire day on a hammock looking at these beautiful flowers, at these lush green lawns.
Gaj Retreat is also a great place to have a destination wedding. They have these huge sprawling lawns where you can organize any functions, and if you want an indoor function, there's also a hall which looks really nice. We are going to look at the old Haveli, the old Mahal at the Gaj Retreat. We are very excited to find out the history of this place. So let's go.
This is the centuries old heritage Haveli that is located 5 minutes from the resort. If you are somebody who's interested in history and historical monuments, you should definitely check this place out. We also had a chance to visit an ancient temple which had these wooden carvings, these stone carvings that looked at least 100 years old. And now is the time for the real adventure. This is us off-roading in a vehicle on a riverbed. Yes, you heard that right. This area used to be a riverbed probably centuries ago, and right now it's full of gravel, it's full of stones of different sizes, and oh my god, this experience was simply exhilarating. Finally, we reached this calm riverbed, but wait, the adventure is just about to start because we will be crossing this river in an open jeep. After this adventurous ride, it's now time to eat something, and Gaj Retreat have amazing staff who set up an outdoor kitchen in a few minutes, and they start serving up some absolutely delicious and yummy delicacies right on the riverside. Here I am trying to ride an ATV, the smallest one that they had. They also had larger ones, so you can pick a bigger one if you're feeling adventurous.
Let me show you the restaurant. property is located right in the middle of a forest. The views from here are spectacular. You could see behind me is the dense forest. As far as you can see, as far as your eye travels, all you see is the lovely greenery. The food here is great and I just can't wait to dig in. I'm now checking out from the Gaj Retreat, guys. I've had the most pleasant stay here. Apart from this stay, the activities that we've done here have been simply out of the world. I've done off-roading first time in my life. We've been on riverbeds and it has been totally amazing. If you are ever looking for a holiday that is different, that is unique, that's out of the box, think of Gaj Retreat. Thank you for watching my video, guys. Bye-bye and take care.